Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to describe the importance of industries, describe the agro-based industries and their importance, describe the mineral-based industries and their importance, describe the mineral-based industries and their importance, describe the chemical industries and their importance, describe the types of industrial pollution and steps to protect environmental degradation. Importance of manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of making valuable goods or products from raw materials. Importance of manufacturing. Manufacturing in industries provide the jobs to people in secondary and tertiary sectors other than agriculture. By manufacturing and exporting the goods, people expand their trade and commerce and get foreign exchange. Agriculture and industry are complementary to each other. Fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides, irrigation pumps, plastic and PVC pipes, and machine tools, etc. are the products of agro-industries. Contribution of industry to national economy. In India, the contribution of manufacturing industry to GDP is quite low in comparison to other countries. Government is trying to boost these industries by appropriate policy interventions. Industrial locations. Industrial locations are influenced by availability of raw material, capital, power and labor at low cost and market to sell the products at high cost. In cities, it's easy to find markets and some services such as banking, insurance, labor, financial advisors and consultants, etc. Classifications of industries. Industries may be classified on the basis of 1. Raw materials, A. Agro-based, sugar and tea, etc. B. Mineral-based, iron and cement, etc. 2. Main role, A. Basic or key industries, iron and steel, etc. B. Consumer industries, sugar and paper, etc. 3. Capital investment, maximum limit, Rs 1 crore. 4. Ownership, A. Public sector, ONGC and BHEL, etc. B. Private sector. Agro-based industries. Textile industries plays a vital role in Indian economy and GDP of India. Cotton textile. With time growing, production of cotton got changed from hand spinning to power looms. Cotton textile industries provide the employment to workers in various fields like spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, packaging, tailoring, and sewing, etc. These industries are mainly established in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. This industry also supports other industries like dyes and chemicals, packaging materials, and electric and engineering work, etc. India exports yarn and other cotton goods to Japan, USA, UK, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Nepal, European and African countries, etc. Jute textiles. India is the largest producer and second largest exporter of jute in the world. Most of the jute industries are located in West Bengal, as this state has good transport system, cheap labor, etc. Indian jute products are exported to Canada, USA, UK, Russia, and Australia, etc. Sugar industries. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. Most of the sugar mills are located in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, etc. Due to seasonal nature, this industry is well suited to cooperative sector. Mineral-based industries. Mineral-based industries include the metal and minerals as raw materials. Iron and steel industry. Iron and steel is a heavy industry. Steel is used in manufacturing of engineering tools, agricultural equipments, and consumer goods. India is a good producer and exporter of iron and steel in the world. The challenges of becoming topmost producers of iron, steel include 1. Coking coal's high cost and limited availability. 2. Irregular supply of energy. 3. Labor's low productivity. 4. Poor infrastructure. Aluminium smelting. Aluminium is highly resistible, light, and a good conductor of heat. It is a substitute of copper and zinc and frequently used in manufacturing of wires, utensils, and aircrafts, etc. In India, aluminium smelting plants are located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Uttar Pradesh, etc. Chemical industries. In India, both inorganic and organic chemical industries are growing fast and play an important role of GDP. Inorganic chemicals include nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and caustic soda, etc., while organic chemicals include petrochemicals. Fertilizer industry. 3 types of fertilizers: ammonium fertilizers, nitrate fertilizers, and phosphatic fertilizers are mainly produced in the fertilizers industry in India. Fertilizers industries are majorly located in Punjab, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. Cement industry. Limestone, silica, alumina, and gypsum are the raw materials for cement industry. Cement is used in construction of buildings, roads, bridges, factories and dams, etc. India produces a variety of cement and quality is also good, so export demand is damn high. Automobile industry. India leads in automobile industry in manufacturing of both heavy vehicles like trucks, buses, and light vehicles like cars, three-wheelers, motorcycles, and scooters, etc. Automobile industries are mainly established in Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Information technology and electronics industry. Information technology and electronics industry is very rapid growing sector of India. It generates a lot of employments throughout the country. The products fall under this industry includes TV, computer, laptop, mobile, and telephone, etc. Industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Industries provide employment to people but create lots of pollution, which is divided into 4 categories. 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Soil or land pollution. 4. Noise pollution. Let us know each of these categories. Air pollution. Various industries release dust, smoke, and spray mist which contains hazardous gases like carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. These gases cause adverse effects on humans, plants, and animals. Water pollution. Some industries like paper, chemical, textile, petroleum, and dyeing discharge dyes, detergents, chemicals, pesticides, plastics, and heavy metals directly into water and make it polluted. Some factories and thermal plants directly drain hot polluted water into rivers, which causes thermal pollution. Soil or land pollution. Some factories dump wastes like glass, chemicals, and plastic materials directly into soil, which makes soil polluted. Noise pollution. Machines and equipments of industries cause noise pollution, which creates high blood pressure and heart rate and hearing problems in humans. Control of environmental degradation. Some suggestions for controlling the environmental degradation are as follows. 1. Recycling and reusing of water. 2. Rainwater harvesting. 3. Treating hot water and effluents before discharge them in water sources. 4. Fitting smokestacks to factories. 5. Using of silent generators and low-noise machines. 6. Using of noise-absorbing materials. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Manufacturing is the process of making valuable goods or products from raw materials. Manufacturing industries provide the jobs to people in secondary and tertiary sectors other than agriculture. Industrial locations are influenced by availability of raw material, capital, power and labor at low cost and market to sell the products at high cost. Industries may be classified on the basis of 1. Raw materials, 2. Main role, 3. Capital investment, and 4. Ownership. Agro-based industries include cotton textile, jute textile, and sugar industry. Mineral-based industries include the metal and minerals as raw materials. They include iron and steel industry and aluminium smelting. Chemical industries include fertilizer industry, cement industry, automobile industry, and information technology and electronics industry. Industries create lots of pollution, which is divided into 4 categories. 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Land or soil pollution. And 4. Noise pollution.